Hey everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. Have my first beauty advent calendar to unbox for you guys, and it's by Rituals, one of my favorite brands for body care, and it is the Ritual of Advent. Let me show you the box. And it comes shipped like this, so it's ready to be given as a gift or for yourself. It costs $74.50 US, and you get 24 products in here, and they are worth $145.50 US. I did an unboxing of this last year, and that one cost $89, so it's cheaper this year. And I'm pretty sure they will have the same type of products in there, so that's really nice. It's cheaper this year. Rituals have 2 advent calendars, and unfortunately we only get one here in the US, and it's this one. Over in the UK they do get 2 of them, this one plus a 3D version. And that one will cost £89.90. Yeah, unfortunately we do not get that one here in the States, but at least we get one of them, and I'm really excited about this one because, like I said, this is one of my favorite brands for body care. Love the green one, the Rituals of Tao. I used that scent this morning, and that is my favorite scent. And my husband loves it too, so I'm really excited about opening this one. Give you a little heads up, this is going to be a spoiler video. I will show you what every day has in this advent calendar. So if you're one of those that doesn't want to see, thank you for stopping by. I hope you do come back later when you get it. But yes, there's going to be spoilers, so I'm just giving you a little warning here. For me, I like to know what's inside these calendars because when I'm spending that much money, I kind of want to know what's in here to make sure I will use the products or not. But I can tell you, we're already going to use most of these products here, and whatever we don't use, I will group them together and give them as gifts. So it's kind of a twofold with these advent calendars. You can use what you want and you can give the rest as gifts. Or you can just give this as a gift in whole in general. So that's going to be a really nice gift too. Well, all right, let's go ahead and see what's in the Ritual of Advent by Rituals. Let me move back a little bit. All right, I think that would be good here. And again, here is the Ritual of Advent. Let's go ahead and open this up. Let's take this little sleeve off. And as you can see, it comes in a real pretty red and gold packaging. Love the bow. And here is what it has in the back. Comes with a little elastic here with a ribbon, so it'll be easy to take off, and also the description and the ingredients of the products that are in here. And it also comes with a little handle too for easy transport. All right, now let's take off the red sleeve. And here is the gold packaging advent right here, and it comes in a 2D Christmas tree form. And how you do it is you lift this flap up and then just put the slats in here at the top, and then you open up the side flats like this, and there you go. There is your Christmas tree. I know the top is out of frame here, but I'll try to put a picture of how this looks like at the end of the video, just to give you some idea of how this looks like, and I'll try to make it to where it doesn't blind you with this shiny yellow gold tree here. And it comes with little doors here that you punch out and open up. And let's go ahead and open this advent calendar. Okay, I do have to admit that it's kind of hard to see the numbers on this gold background, but we'll get through it. I see number 1 is right here. So you just push and open. Ah, look, I see a candle. And I think this happened with me last year. It was kind of hard to get some of these products out. Ooh, this one comes in a nice little white votive. And let's see what this one is. It's the Oriental Vetiver. I don't know if that's the scent or not, but oh, but that does smell good. It smells so clean. It does give you a little saying on the inside door here. Let me go ahead and read that. And it says, the first Sunday, of course, for Advent, you light a candle on the 4 Sundays before Christmas. Experience the calming effect of Indian vetiver. I believe that's how you say it. By lighting this candle on the first Sunday of December. Oh, that does smell really good. So the scent is Oriental Vetiver. Okay, let's find door number 2. Is this long skinny one right here. Oh, what do we got here? It's a body mist, Tulip, and Japanese yuzu. That is a scent that I haven't heard of before, body mist. Let me smell that. Oh, that smells really good. Oh, yes. Let's see what it says on the door. A wondrous Christmas. With a spritz of body mist, imagine yourself surrounded by the wonders of 17th century Amsterdam. Okay, so this is part of their Amsterdam collection. All right, that's really nice. I'm excited to try something new. Let's find door number 3. It's this big one up here. Yes. There has to be an easy way to get this out. It's really snug in there, isn't it? Okay, I think I got it out there. There it is. Oh, this is my favorite scent, the Ritual of Tao. And it is the night balm for the hands. Oh my gosh, I can smell it already. It says, "Oh, holy night balm. Protect and soothe your hands while you dream of Christmas miracles." And it has white lotus and yi yi ren. I am so excited about this one. Because I don't think I have the hand balm of the Rituals of Tao. I have it in other scents. But this is my first Ritual of Tao hand balm. All right, score for me. Okay, now let's look for number 4. It's the Ritual of Ayurveda, the Foaming Shower Gel. It says inside the door, "A balanced Christmas. Soothe body, mind, and soul with this foaming shower gel from the Ritual of Ayurveda." And my husband loves this scent. Shogat loves this scent. All right. Number 5. Oh, it's a box. It's a bar of soap. The Ritual of Karma, Holy Lotus and Organic White Tea. So that's the scent of this soap bar. And I have to say, the soap that we got last year, I loved it. It was a really nice soap. It doesn't get all gooey and stick to the soap dish in the shower. So I'm really excited about getting another soap bar. Because they don't sell this on their website for some reason. It's only on the calendar. So I'm glad we got another soap bar. And inside the door, it says, "Holiday Hospitality. Give your guest a luxurious experience for the entire stay with our boutique soap bar." Oh, and it smells so good. Oh my gosh. Behind door number 6, we have a mask. This is a powder mask. Actually, it's called the Wander Mask, Purifying Face Mask, Charcoal and Black Mud. And it comes with a little spatula too. A good lump of coal. A charcoal wonder mask for those who have been nice this year. That's neat. This is in door number 7, and it is the Ritual of Sakura. It is the Softening Rice Scrub. The scent is organic rice milk and cherry blossom. Be sweet to your skin. The shower scrub from the Ritual of Sakura is a rejuvenating present for body and soul. And I can tell you, it smells so good. That was door number 7. Now let's find door number 8. We got another votive candle here. Let me get it out. And it's in a different color votive. And it comes in a black votive container here. And this scent is the Sacred Saffron. Oh, that one smells interesting. Warm your heart and soul with the spicy and powerful notes of saffron of this candle on the second Sunday of December. Oh, I like this one. Door number 9 is up here, the skinny one right there. Hope you can see that. Okay, we have a little box here. The Ritual of Namaste Hydrate, Hydrating Ampoule Booster. Twinkle, twinkle, give your complexion a smoother appearance and a refreshed and radiant look. All right, now let's go for number 10. Ooh, what's that one? I like how they have a little finger hold here to get the product out. I just realized that now. All right, we got another sample here, and it's the Ritual of Hammam. And I have to say that hammam in Arabic means bathroom. Just to give you a little side note here. And this is black soap. The warmth of Christmas is what it says inside the door. Enjoy the Ritual of Hammam black soap for warmth and purity. But wait for tomorrow to make it more special. That's what it says inside the door. All right, let's find door 11. Door number 11 is down here. Oh, what do we got here? We have a glove. I guess you use the black soap with the glove. Let me read what it says in the door. It says here, winter gloves. Treat yourself with a scrub glove for soft and silky smooth skin. So I guess you use this with the Ritual of Hammam to give yourself a little bit more of a softer skin. Okay. And it does feel a little scrubby here, so that's going to be really interesting to try. Door 12 is right here in the bottom corner. All right, we have a little bottle here, and it's the Ritual of Happy Buddha Shower Gel. Okay, we got a little shower gel in this type of a product. This is the first time I've seen it like this. And this scent is sweet orange and cedarwood, and it does smell so good. Oh, that smells so heavenly. Santa loves a treat. Experience this hotel quality treat, a wonderful bath and shower gel set. So it's a bath and shower gel. I can't wait to try a shower gel like this because I don't think I've tried a shower gel from Rituals in this form. It's usually in the foaming shower gel. All right, 13 is this long skinny one right here. And I can already tell you what this is. A nail file. And it's the same on both sides, green. Prevent your nails from snagging your stockings with this lightweight portable nail treat file. Never go wrong with an extra nail file, that's for sure. And in door number 14, we have my husband's favorite product, the Ritual of Ayurveda. Natural dry oil for body and hair. He has the big size of this product and he loves it. Merry massage. Stay balanced during the hectic holidays with the Ritual of Ayurveda Vata dry oil. Door number 15 is another square door, so I'm wondering if that's another candle. And it's a white candle. I wonder if it's the same scent as the other one. No, this is a different scent. Savage Garden. The third Sunday. Light this candle on the third Sunday of December for a moment of pure tranquility with the warming scent of ancient sage. That smells so good. 16 is right above it. We have Miracle Wipes. Got this last year and they're very nice. And how many do we get? 10 sheets. Gorgeous on the go. Don't forget our Miracle Wipes when you travel home for Christmas. Okay, 17 is a real small door down here. We got another Hydrate Ampoule, the Ritual of Namaste Hydrate. So we got 2 of them in this one. And it says the same thing, twinkle, twinkle, give your complexion a smoother appearance and a refreshed and radiant look. Okay, so we got 2 of the same one. Last year, I believe we got different ones. So I'm glad they're trying to mix it up a little bit. 18 is on the bottom corner. All right, we have another shower foam, and I don't know this color. What is this one? The Ritual of Samurai. And it's organic bamboo and cypress scent. Oh, that's really neat. I know Shelka would probably love this one. Winter Warrior. Dive into ancient samurai traditions with the Ritual of Samurai Foaming Shower Gel. In door number 19, we got something else from the Ritual of Samurai. It's the Ice Shower Gel. Adventurous Advent. Start your day empowered with the Ritual of Samurai Cooling Ice Shower. Alright, so we have 2 products here from the Samurai collection, the Shower Foam and the Shower Gel. 20 is up here. And we have the Ritual of Namaste Purify. Velvety Smooth Cleansing Foam with meringue and holy lotus. Oh my gosh, I bet you that's going to smell really good. Oh yes, that one smells really good. Okay. A Velvety Christmas, a velvety smooth cleanse to keep your face fresh and clean after all those Christmas parties. All right, I'm excited about this one too. 21 is another small one. And it's the Ritual of Namaste Glow Pure Radiance Face Oil. And on the inside door it says a 7-day Christmas glow. Reveal your inner glow and fight the first signs of aging with this face oil. Apply 3 drops for radiant results. Alright, 22 is down here, another square one. Wonder what that is. Yep, another candle in the black votive. And this is Precious Amber. I really do like this year they're giving us 4 different scents, because last year they gave us all the same and I believe it was a watermelon scent, but this year I'm glad we have different scents. And this is for the 4th Sunday. Transform your home into a fragrant haven of rich amber and yang yang by lighting this candle on the 4th Sunday of December. All right, 23, we're almost done here. It's right here in the middle. And we have another product here from the Happy Buddha. It's the Buddha Belly Body Cream. That's cute. I like that. And it's the sweet orange and cedarwood. Beautiful scent. Joy for body and soul. Be jolly like Santa and Buddha with the Ritual of Happy Buddha Body Cream. Alright, and here's the last door up here, number 24. We have a good sized bottle of the hand wash. It's the Rituals, Tulip, and Japanese Yuzu. Okay, we already got the body mist, so now we have a hand soap. Again, from their Amsterdam collection. And it says up here, a merry meeting of Eastern spices and Western heritage with the new Amsterdam collection hand wash. All right, we got some good products. I'm really happy with this advent calendar. Again, I love the Rituals brand. They have excellent products with a really good price. And again, you get 24 products in here with the cost of $74.50 US, and you get products in here, these are worth $145.50 US. I will say this, last year I did find this on sale around December, so of course, you know, after Advent starts, things start to go on sale, and I want to say it was 30% off maybe. So if you're eyeing this, you may run the risk of it being sold out if you want to wait for the sale. But still, $74.50 is not a bad price for all of these products here. Especially for someone that you know loves the Rituals, or like I said, you can probably group some together and give them away as teacher gifts, neighbor gifts, co-worker gifts, or keep it for yourself. I'll put a picture of everything that was in this calendar so you can kind of see all at once what's in here, and also so you can see how the Christmas tree looks like when it's assembled right. But anywho guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Rituals Advent Calendar. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.